Having problems with Windows security. Maybe scans won't run, protection settings aren't working, or you're seeing repeated warnings. In this guide, I'll show you several practical fixes, starting with the simplest ones. First, restart your computer. This can clear temporary Windows problems and restart background security services. Once your PC boots back up, open Windows Security and check if the problem is fixed. Next, open Settings and select Windows Update. Choose Check for Updates and install anything available. Windows Updates can include important security fixes. Now open Windows Security and select Virus and Threat Protection. Find Protection Updates and select Check for Updates. Keeping Microsoft Defender's Security Intelligence current helps it detect newer threats. Select Manage Settings under Virus and Threat Protection settings. Check that real-time protection and other important features are enabled. If a setting keeps turning off, continue with the next checks. Another antivirus program can affect Microsoft Defender. Open Settings, select Apps, then Installed Apps, and look for third-party security software. Check which product Windows is using as the primary security provider. If Windows Security itself is having trouble, find it under Installed Apps and open Advanced Options. Select Repair first. If that doesn't help, try Reset. Damaged Windows files can also cause security features to malfunction. Open Command Prompt as administrator and run sfc/scan now. Let the scan finish. If SFC doesn't help, use DISM to repair the Windows image. Run the Restore Health command from an administrator command prompt and wait for it to complete. Afterward, restart your PC and test Windows security again. And that's how to troubleshoot common Windows security problems. Start with updates and restarts, then repair the app or system files if needed. If the issue continues, consider Microsoft support or a qualified technician.